Huwag ka nang Oh. Cute.
Probably.
So what is happening here? What is happening?
I have no idea.
What?
Actually,
I have no idea.
No.
I have no idea.
I came here to see Yasi.
Why?
Oh, nakita mo na siya. Pwede ka na umalis.
Hindi, gusto ko rin kausapin naman, for sure.
Oh, sige.
Okay.
Usap tayo.
Why do you wanna, first of all, why do you wanna see Yasi? What is the meaning of this?
Nothing. I just, wala lang. I just want to see her presence and like, just be around her. That's pretty much it.
Be around.
Kasi Valentine is the love month. Are you in
Yes.
love with Yasi?
Yes, I am. Sure.
In love na agad! Woo! Okay, nakakahilo. In love ka na agad? What? Okay, why? What? Why?
What? Okay, why?
Hindi ako prepared, guys. Ha?
Yeah.
What makes Yasi beautiful?
I don't know. Yasi's she's just different. It's more than looks, you know. There's the talent, the attitude, her beauty. I don't know. There's something about her that gets me.
Sabi niya si...
Oo. Hey, if you wanna see something different, look to your right. She is different. Ayan, oh, look. Very different. Oh, see? Not the normal.
No.
Love you, Alora. Okay. Joao,
Yes.
sa lahat ng artista talaga dito sa ABS, talagang it's Yasi talaga, no?
Yeah. Since the beginning.
Since the
Since the beginning
of time, natalo mo
Kilala
yung,
ka na niya?
Natalo
Hindi ka pa
na-
nag-showbiz?
natalo na yung Genesis. In the beginning was the word. Diba? Natalo mo, kasabay ka ng creation. Sabi niya, since the beginning 10,000 BC pa yun.
Hoy, sabi may nagsabi dito,
Oh.
magagalit si Cardo. Hala ka!
Meron din akong nabasa, si Tanner daw magagalit.
Ang dami
Grabe
magagalit.
naman. Sino ba talaga?
Kay Cardo pa lang, wala na. May baril yun.
Don't worry, wala namang ginagawang masama. Gusto lang kausapin, di ba?
Oo
Gusto
nga
lang makita.
naman.
Yun lang.
Kayo naman, ano ba kayo? Meron sila doong ang probinsyano dito, meron soap opera to kayang chill out. Soap opera to. Okay, so ano yung gusto mong, if ever, kunwari, getting to know, ano ba yung gusto mong mga maitanong sa kanya?
Oo, chance
Go.
mo na to.
Chance
Go.
mo na. Gusto mong mag-Islam book? Go. Tanungin
Here.
mo na siya. Go.
Si Yasi, ba't hindi ka
Wala, ma.
makatingin?
Yasi,
Tignan mo siya, Yasi.
there's consciousness.
Oh.
Nahiya ako, hindi ako magaling mag-react kapag ka...
Nahiya ka lang.
Okay, ano mga gusto mong tanungin sa kanya? Ang baduy ng what's your favorite color, ah? Huwag ganun.
Sige.
Okay.
Do you have a boyfriend? Tinatanong ko lang naman.
Okay, tinatanong mo, sumisigaw lang kami. Ano ba?
Lakas ko kasi mag-react eh.
Sige, go.
No.
No, you don't.
No.
That's nice to hear.
Tanong mo, sige na. Sige na.
Since you don't have a boyfriend, if ever in the future, will I have a chance to be with you? Tanong lang
The
yun.
chance is right.
You don't have to
Si Yasi, yung skirt ni Yasi kumulot.
One
Hindi na
more
plancha.
chance.
You don't have to answer it. Yeah. Just keep it for
Just
now.
keep it casual.
Sabi niya, be
Yeah.
open-minded.
Ay.
Open-minded
Baka
ka ba?
bebentahan ka lang ng ano niyan.
Networking ba to?
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Joao,
much.
for
Had a great
making us
time.
kilig on the
Lovely
Love
seeing
Month.
you again.
Okay. Yes. Yasi, may gusto ko pa i-plug?
Opo, syempre po ang FPJs ang Provinciano. Gabi-gabi po yan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga susuporta, sa lahat din po ng mga bumati ng Valentine's Day. Thank you. Naramdaman ko talaga yung pagmamahal. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you so much. Eto guys, sa pagbabalik ng ASAP Chill Out, pakikiligin naman tayo ni Jerome, Joshua, Inigo, and Elmo! Huwag nyo kami iiwan. Babalik pa ang ASAP Chill Out!